Folks, IXL talk through here. We are looking at a skill on deciding if an angle is greater than, less than, or equal to a right angle. So hopefully you remember what a right angle is. A right angle is something that measures 90 degrees, but more helpful than that is how we note them inside a shape or inside an angle. When we have a right angle, and this first one's going to be a great example of this, we have that box. That box, that square right at the intersection of where those two lines meet is telling us that this is already a right angle. It makes that L shape. It equals 90 degrees. And if I look at the example, it'll talk me through that idea. It'll show me an example of here is what it looks like when it's a right angle. Remember, it's that very much so rigid square. If it's an acute angle or an obtuse angle, it's just going to have an arch, just like you see there on those two angles. So that's just something that you can be mindful of as you go through these. So I would want to decide then that this one is going to be equal to a right angle, and I'm going to click submit. And I'll do maybe one or two more. So I can see here that this is going to be smaller, right? The more narrow, the skinnier an angle is getting, it means it is less than a right angle. So I'm going to select that. And then how about we jump a level here? I know this is going to go up pretty high. I was previewing this. So now it's going to put those angles inside of shapes, but it doesn't change anything. If it is, remember, we're thinking that L shape, right? That's a right angle. That L shape is a right angle. This is less. This is more. So this one is getting smaller than that right angle. So this is going to be less than a right angle. And we're just going to go ahead and click submit. So I think you guys are going to do great with this. I hope this little tutorial helps. Enjoy.